The classic delicate tofu skin sheets is a traditional soy product that is thin and papery and slightly yellow in color. It is ideal for cooking when made into tofu sheet knobs. After thawing, wash with warm water and make into tofu sheet knobs. Then blanch in boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes and remove to dry. Finally, cook in soup pot for 10 to 15 minutes, and it is ready to eat. After the tofu skin sheets is stewed in the soup, you fully absorb the broth, resulting in a combination of the rich soybean aroma and the chewy texture in the mouth, as well as the strong fragrance of soup base. This tofu skin sheets contains a wealthy of high-quality protein, making it a healthy and low-fat choice for ingredients. It can be cooked in a variety of ways such as hot pot, braising, and stir-frying. It is an essential ingredient for the famous Jiangnan cuisine, Xian.
And you know they're gonna use the things you love against you.
Jiangnan, a taste of China, anytime, anywhere.